Good morning, class. Before we start a lesson, let's be grateful for first for this day. And who would like to start a prayer? Yes, Jonah. Thank you for saying the prayer. Okay. So before we start, I would like to know how's your day today. Is it good so far? Oh, great. That's good to know. So, are you like having fun when you went on a vacation last week? Okay. So now we're going to discuss our new topic today, and this is a group activity first. So, are you ready? Okay, good. Alright, so this is the motivation. I will tell you that I'm going to divide you into 4, and each group will be given a pieces of paper, and there are words written on them. And I would like you to arrange the words in order to make a sentence. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so who would like to answer the first, or arrange the first sentence? Would you like to try it, Jay? Right, your answer is Philippines is rich in natural resources. That's correct. And how about number 2? Lucas? Alright. And your answer is, where do you want to travel this summer? Alright, and the third one? Nora? Alright, your answer is, please finish your activity about constructing a sentence. Alright, and last sentence. Alright, Lisa? And your answer is, I can't believe it, I forgot it's the due date today. Well done. Alright, I'm very proud of you because you were able to answer all the sentences correctly. And you show your feelings in reading the sentences. Alright, so now let's discuss your answer. Anybody who can tell me what you noticed with the following sentence? Very good observation. Now, let me introduce to you the 4 types of sentences. Would someone read the sentences for me? The first sentence, please. Alright, thanks. Now, let's take a look at the sentence that Group 1 came up with. This one is a declarative sentence. When you say a declarative sentence, this is the reason why, or the reason why it is called a declarative sentence is because it ends with a period, or we sometimes call it full stop. Now, can somebody give me an example of a declarative sentence? Alright, Lucas, you want to answer? Alright, great. Now let's talk about the second type of sentence. Would someone read the definition written on the board? Okay, we can use the whiteboard on Zoom. Very good. It's easy to understand, right? Remember that in interrogative sentence, it ends with a question mark. The first sentence that we discussed is it's a declarative sentence, so it ends in full stop or period. However, the interrogative sentences end with a question mark. The sentence that the group 2 came up with is an example of the interrogative sentence. I also want to remind you that you have to read an interrogative sentence well. You have to sound like you're really asking questions. So don't just read it as if it's a declarative sentence, so you won't be misunderstood when someone listens to you. So when you say, are you okay? So you must sound asking question. Alright, wonderful. So let's proceed to the next type of sentence, which is the imperative sentence. Who wants to read the definition? Very, Nora. and thank you for reading. Now let's check the sentence that group 3 came up with. It ends with a period, but that doesn't mean it's a declarative sentence. Can somebody explain to the class? Very good. An imperative sentence expresses a request or gives a command or direction. It also ends with a period or exclamation mark, but it gives a request, so that's the keyword. Alright, you got it. Perfect. Now, I want you to give me an example of an imperative sentence that gives an order or direction. Would you like to try it, Lily? Well done. So what about an imperative sentence that expresses a request? Okay, I could see that you got a little confused with the imperative sentence, but I'm glad you were able to get its function. Nice try for those who gave their answers. So now let's discuss the last type of sentence, which is the exclamatory sentence. Who wants to read the definition of it? Alright, Jay? Okay, it's an exclamatory sentence that conveys emotions and ends with an exclamation mark. So, from the keyword exclamation point. Thanks, that's good. Now, I know you'll find it very easy to understand its function. Can somebody give me an example? Alright, well done, class. I'm very proud of you because you were able to understand and distinguish the differences or types of sentence. Alright, now I'm pleased. Okay, so I will give you a seat work that you're going to write on beside the number, whether it is an imperative sentence or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, or exclamatory sentence. So I will just share it on here on the screen, and then I will give you let's see 5 minutes for this because this is so easy. Alright, and for your assignment, I would like you to write a short narrative about your most unforgettable experience because yesterday you just have your summer vacation. I would like you to write a story about it using the 4 types of sentences that we have. And again, those are declarative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory, and interrogative sentences. Alright, do you have any questions? Any question? Okay, that's good. Alright, so that is my demonstration on how to teach English in my grade 7 class. And I just want to make sure that they are cooperative in the duration of my class. Alright, so again, this is Celeste. Thank you.